Welcome back to WizzKidz TV. We have another fun slime video today. And here we have colorful beads, stars, glitter, some more shiny beads, and some blue slime. We're going to open them and mix them all into the clear slime. Let's put these aside and open up the slime. It's a very, very big bucket, so we have so much slime to play with. Whoa! Look how gooey it is. Let's tip it on the table. It's going to be so much fun. Look at this. It's so shiny and clear. Can you see through it? Let's see if we can see the pens in the back. Can you see the colorful pens? Super cool. This is so much fun. Are you ready to open one of the bags up? Let's flatten the slime so we can mix all the stuff inside. Let's open up the stars. Are you ready to pour the stars in? Let's pour them on the slime. Let's get a closer look. This is so cool. Let's take a bunch off to have a closer look. This is so much fun. I wonder what bag we should open up next. Let's do the shiny beads. Are you ready to pour them in? Let's have a closer look. Wow! Super shiny. Let's mix them all up. Are you ready to open this one up? They look like donut sprinkles. It's like we're making a cake. This is so cool. Super cool. It's so colorful. Are you ready to add the glitter in? I wonder how it's going to look. Look at the shiny glitter. Wow! Look how shiny it is. Whoa, look at that. It looks like a galaxy. It's so shiny. It's trapped inside the slime. Wow, this is super cool. I love playing with slime. Now we're going to add some blue slime to the clear slime. I wonder what's going to happen. Are you ready to add it in? Let's wrap it inside and give it a good mix. Wow! This is so cool! Let's have a closer look. Look at that. It's so stretchy. Do you like playing with slime? So do I. Slime is so much fun. Look at that. I'm having so much fun. Thank you for playing with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.